Hello, welcome to this tutorial. Here I'm gonna show you how you can get verification code for Telegram. I have this issue and they lasted weeks, but today I'll show you how you can solve it. First of all, if you change your phone, what you do is still log in on the other phone, then make a fresh installation on the new phone. I download Telegram, make fresh installation on the new phone. Check the notification of the other phone and see if Telegram has sent you verification code. Then number two, download Telegram X. Telegram X can be downloaded in Play Store or Apple Store. Install it. Use the same process you used on normal Telegram and see whether you get your verification code from your SIM or through the app. Then the third one, you check your mobile notifications. That is where you're installing Telegram. Sometimes it can take as much as 15 minutes before it can count. You check notification, whether they have sent you the code, or you check your inbox. There is normal text message, whether Telegram has sent you your verification code. Then the fourth one, that is the final step. That one worked for me and I believe it's going to work for you too. Uninstall the Telegram on the Telegram X, everything about Telegram from your phone. Then leave your phone for from 12 hours to 24 hours. Then download and install your Telegram again. Make sure your network is strong. Make sure your browsing network is strong. And go through the process of a SIM verification. That is your phone number verification this time around. And you'll be surprised you are going to get the code within some seconds. That what actually worked for me when I've tried other method, but you can still try other method and see whether it's going to work for you. Thank you. Make sure you subscribe that channel for more useful information like this. Thanks and bye.